Okay, Gearwrench 3/8 torque wrench, electronic. I think the second time I changed the batteries on it, this broke. So this goes in this tube. And this wire connects down through that tube to this, actually. This goes in there like that. And this wire is part of that. And you don't see this because normally you just unscrew this and you slide the new batteries in. This one fractured right there. So it didn't put up with very much. This thing fractured too. You can see how that little clip keeps it in there, in here.